Part 2B on short forms of the letters. Let's start with prayer. Rabbi zidni ilma, which means, "Oh Allah, increase me in knowledge." If you know a person, then his face is enough to know who he is, right? Arabic letters work on similar lines. You have learned the full forms of the letters. We can use the short forms of the letters wherever possible. Why use full letters? Anyways, let's continue to learn how to make these short forms. So let's take the next two letters, Ayn and Ghayn. So Ayn's short form is just its face, right? And Ghayn's short form is also just its face. But there is one interesting fact about Ayn and Ghayn, is that they have another full form. And that full form has its short form of Ayn, and Ghayn's other full form has its short form as its face. So repeat with me the letters in the rectangular box. Ayn, 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 Ghayn, 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 Ayn, 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 Ghayn, Ghayn, Ghayn. And now the next letter, Fa, with its twin Qaf with two dots on the top. Fa's short form is just its face, and so is Qaf. So repeat with me the letters in the rectangular box. Fa, 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 Qaf, Qaf, Qaf. And now the next four letters, Kaf, Lam, Mim, Noon. Remember, they are K-L-M-N in English, right? So anyway, Kaf's short form is not its face. As you can see, it is actually a bigger version of the baby Hamza sitting in Kaf. And now Lam, its short form is just its face. And so is Mim and Noon with a dot on top of it. So repeat with me the letters in the rectangular box. Kaf, 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 Lam, 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 Mim, 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 Noon, Noon, Noon. And now the last four letters, Waw, Ha, Hamza, and Ya. Yeah, the last letter, yeah. So, Waw's short form, it actually does not have a short form, because it's too thin. And Ha's short form is bigger than it. Ha's full form has one hole, but the short form has two holes. And Ha also has another form. Baby Hamza. It also doesn't have any short form because it's too thin and small. And Ya, the last letter Ya, its short form is just its face with two dots below it. Now repeat with me the letters in the rectangular box. Waw, 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 Ha, 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 Hamza, 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 Ya, yeah, yeah. Before we end this lesson, I want to tell you a rule about baby Hamza. This baby Hamza sits on chairs, and these chairs are Alif, Waw, and Ya. And when it sits on Ya, it has a short form, and its short form is just its face. Now repeat after me 3 times. Hamza, 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 Hamza. MashaAllah. Awesome! We have come to the end of this lesson. May Allah help us to recite, understand, implement, and propagate this Quran. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.